Chris and Rebecca got married in the summer of 2019, and then later that year, they had a son. Rebecca carried the child, conceived through artificial insemination.
I mean, we talked about children from day one.
Chris cut the umbilical cord. They named their son for a beloved family member on Chris's side.
What I thought was a dream come true.
Special.
Yeah, it was special.
In Oklahoma, same-sex marriage is legal. Chris and Rebecca have the same rights as every married couple. Their baby's birth certificate lists mother and mother in black and white.
I mean, it's pretty simple. That's black and white. And so I'm not sure why we are getting caught up in the gray.
The gray, though, is an ugly divorce making its way through Oklahoma County District Court. Earlier this year, Rebecca asked the court to remove Chris from the birth certificate. Judge Lynn McGuire, in this handwritten court minute, ruled Chris failed to pursue a legal remedy to establish parental rights. Even though she was on the birth certificate, the judge ruled she should have adopted her own child.
I've never seen anything like this. It's not a question about what the divorce is, and that's why I agreed to speak to you today, is because this isn't about the divorce case at all. We're not talking about assets. We're not talking about marital property, separate property. We're talking about the custody of a child that was born of that marriage.
I want people to know that it's not just the LGBTQ community that's vulnerable in this. I mean, we have other families that can have biological children and use donors and means to have families. And so I think it's horrible that we have to take an extra step in order to solidify our space for us to be legally connected to our children.
Right now, the baby is with the gestational parent, the birth mom, who filed a victim protective order against her estranged wife. Rebecca refused our questions in court Thursday. Both sides will be back in court Friday morning. Allie Meyer, Oklahoma's News 4.
We also tried to talk to Rebecca's attorney, who was in court today with her. The attorney told us his court filings speak for themselves.